A very good morning to everyone. Welcome back to our channel, that is Vasudha Singh's Spoken English Classes. My little philosophy, English should be skill, not language. So let's learn about Mahakumbh, which is at the corner. Okay. And from today has started the Parv of Mahakumbh with Amrit Tithiyan and all. So we will be discussing about it a little bit. Okay, चलिए फटाफट जानते हैं what is the importance of महाकुंभ. महाकुंभ की क्या importance है. महाकुंभ is a massive, बहुत बड़े तादाद में, महाकुंभ is a massive Hindu pilgrimage that takes place after every 12 years in Prayagraj, that is Allahabad. Even you can say Allahabad. Okay. It is considered one of the largest human gathering in the world, obviously, and it is expected coming of more than 10 crore people around the world. The Mahakumbh holds immense cultural and spiritual significance. What are these? Let's learn a little bit about them. Spiritual cleansing. हम cleansing करते हैं ना, चेहरे की साफ सफाई. So this is the way spiritual cleansing is done in Mahakumbh Parv. कैसे करते हैं? Hindus believe that taking a dip in the sacred Ma Ganga river during a Mahakumbh washes away all your sins. But bachcha, don't do the sins. Okay. Second being cultural exchange. The Mahakumbh is a platform for cultural exchange where people from diverse backgrounds all around the world come together to share their traditional values. Okay, and economic significance. Obviously, the Mahakumbh generates a great significant revenue for local economy, creating jobs and stimulating economic growth for Allahabad. So this is a little bit information regarding Mahakumbh. Okay, let's learn more about the Mahakumbh 2025 शाही स्नान की महत्वपूर्ण तिथियां. What are these? Let's learn. Today is Paush Purnima, 13th January 2025. 13 जनवरी 2025 दिन सोमवार. पर्व क्या है? On the occasion of Paush Purnima nakshatra. Okay. Second will be 14th January 2025 Mangalwar, Makar Sankranti. Okay. Third will be 29th January 2025 Budhwar, Moni Amavasya. Okay. Fourth will be 3rd of February 2025, that is Monday, will be Basant Panchami. Okay. जिस दिन हम माँ सरस्वती जी की पूजा करते हैं. Okay. Fifth will be 12th of February 2025, that is Wednesday, Maghi Purnima. And the last but not the least is the on 26th of February 2025, that is Wednesday, Mahashivratri. Okay, so these are the important Shahi Snan where you all have to take, we all must take dip in sacred Ma Ganga and Prayagraj. ओके जब इतनी सारी बातें प्रयागराज के बारे में हो रही हैं और हमारे स्वीट इलाहाबाद से, बिकॉज आई बेसिकली बिलोंग टू इलाहाबाद, सो आई एम टू एक्साइटेड फॉर दैट. सो लेट्स लर्न अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट प्रयागराज, ऑब्वियसली इलाहाबाद. ओके, इलाहाबाद यूनिवर्सिटी इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेमस of Allahabad. Okay, then Prayagraj is a city in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh, obviously situated at the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati rivers, and is considered one of the most sacred cities in Hinduism. Allahabad, Prayagraj. Prayagraj is significant for Triveni Sangam. इन तीनों रिवर्स का जो संगम होता है, कॉन्फ्लुएंस होता है ना, that is known as Sangam. The city is home to the Triveni Sangam, that is the confluence of the three sacred rivers, which is considered a sacred site for Hindus. Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati वहाँ मिलती हैं, है ना, they formed their Sangam, जहाँ हम लोग नाव से जाके बीचों बीच स्नान करते हैं, that is Sangam. Okay. Kumbh Mela. The Prayagraj hosts Kumbh Mela, one of the largest human gathering in the world, which takes place every 12 years. And the cultural heritage, the city has a numerous rich cultural heritage with numerous temples, ghats, and historical monuments, like so many are there. Anand Bhavan, है ना, Jawaharlal Nehru's home, that is an Anand Bhavan, Shiv Kuti, and many more places, Hathi Park, and there are so many libraries and all. So let's learn and more about Prayagraj. We have studied Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti, as already I have wished you all, but again I am wishing you all a wonderful and fabulous Makar Sankranti. Let's dive into the spirit of Makar Sankranti with lot of laddus and curries, with lot of tilke laddu and curry, ike laddu and kites. So let's start flying the kite. Please do comment in comment section कि किसे किसे पतंग उड़ाना पसंद है. Okay, love you all. Keep watching, keep tuned. Please do like, comment and share my video. Love you all. Bye bye.